morning, everybody. Bypass That Money here. I think I'm going to start documenting what I'm eating for those of you who ask. It's the weekend, and my husband typically makes breakfast for everybody. Well, he cooks all the meals on the weekends for us. So this is breakfast, and we have, I know it looks like a whole lot, and I don't know how much I want to eat. I'm going to film what I have. Green beans and mushrooms and onions kind of grilled, sauteed together. Some bacon. This is syrup and like a piece of waffle. This is kale, eggs, and cheese. And so, yeah, this is breakfast for today. The finished result of the breakfast. That's how much eggs I got, and waffles, and well, the little piece of waffle, and the bacon. That's what I got left.
Guys, I know it is not the most flattering angle, but I wanted to do a quick little video because I'm just not in a good spot. I'm sick. My throat hurts. I got up this morning. It was all like just all bad. I had a sick kid a couple days this week home from school, so I think I might have got what she got or had. I went today to, actually I have not been sick in a year. I haven't had a cold in a year. And I haven't, let me see. Yeah, at least for 8 months.
Lunch. This is some homemade beef stew my husband made again for dinner. This is what we had for dinner last night. And then a half of a grilled cheese. I kind of already took a little bite. And 2 little crackers. I probably won't eat the crackers because I got so much bread. So, we'll see. Hey everybody, Bypass That Money here. It is week 38, I think. I'm out and about with my husband today. We are grabbing some last minute things. Our daughter's turning 13 today. One of our daughters is turning 13. And our son, one of our sons, will be 13 on Tuesday. So, sorry guys. I'm sick still. I've been battling this cold for about 3 days now, and it is the worst. Being sick post-op gastric RNY is just not a good situation for anybody. I'm struggling with medication. I'm struggling with just everything. Just everything. It's a struggle. My whole body aches. And yeah, so that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys later. All right, bye. Hey guys, I'm sick. I had cake and ice cream. It was a big mistake. I knew I shouldn't have eaten it, but I was feeling sad, and I thought it wouldn't help me feel better, which was not the case. I feel worse than I did before. But you live and you learn. I'm in the middle of taking off my makeup, so I look crazy. But I feel like horrible. Very poor decision on my behalf. Never again.
Good morning, everybody. It's week 38 or 39. I gotta check on that. 8 something in the morning, and I am on my way to the gym. I've been really inspired by you guys' videos, just really go harder in the gym. It's been a minute since I've been here, and so I'm really excited about growing. And I think that's it. I have a question. What do you guys eat before you go to the gym, and what do you eat after? I feel like I am starving after I leave the gym, like just famished. And so I want to know what you guys are eating before and after. If you grab a protein shake, you grab a banana, let me know. I'm really curious to that.